ass DJ.
Good day, guys. Welcome to Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to design a a birthday flyer and how to get your premium fonts on Photopea.com. So as you can see, I am in Photopea.com. So you can see new project open from computer and PSD template. So the next thing I'm going to click on is PSD template. So you are going to wait for it to load. I have clicked on it. I have to wait for it to load. Sorry, sometimes you do paste the template now. So I have clicked on the paste the template. So let's go. Just scroll, and you will see the font that we use. So let's scroll. So it's good. Can you see this review? Where they write review? This review. Just click on it. After you click on it again. So it will load. So after loading, just click on it. Just double tap it, then delete it. I have deleted it. Then you write your birthday. Good. So can you see it? So let me delete this L. Oh, birthday. So can you see it right now? So I have written the birthday. So let's go. So after you have done that, you click on this layer that you are seeing here. This layer you are seeing here. This layer. So you click on it. So you click on the layer. So after you click on the layer, you will scroll down. Then you see where they write your background and this gradient. So you click on this eye to hide the background. Then you click on this gradient to make it a transparent one. Can you see right now? So after that one, you go to your file. This file at the right, the left hand side, and you click on save as, export as. So you click on export as, then PNG, so they can use it in your your Pixellab. So you scroll down, then you see save, then you click on it to download. They will ask me if I've already downloaded it before the day I use it. So they will ask me if I want to download it again. Then I will click on download. Good. So this is how I got this premium font. So the next place we are going now is Pixellab. So let's go to the Pixellab. So guys, welcome to the Pixellab. Before you before we start the work here, so let's go. So the next thing now is to click this place. Is to change the background to this background. Good. Then you import the image you are using, because you are going to be using a color picker to pick the image. So I'm coming. So let me actually pick the image I want to use. So let me go to my pins. So there'll be a double work here. So I'm using this image for it. This image. Good. So after you click on this image, you are going to edit first. I'm going to edit. So after you edit, you click on your plus button again. Then you click on from gallery. Then you bring out your this one that you just downloaded. You bring it out first. So this is it. So after you bring it out, you edit a little bit. So you go to your layer and you edit again. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to bring out a shape. Good. Then place the shape at the middle. at the middle. So after you place the shape at the middle, just make sure it's at the middle. So after that, you go to your plus button to give it a color. Click on it. This is your the color picker. That's the one that look like brush. Click on this place and click on this on the on what they call it, on the beret. So you click your mark button. You click OK. So can you see it right now? So the next thing is to go to your relative size. So let's make sure it's at the middle. Relative size. So relative position. I mean. Oh, okay, good. So it's okay like this. Look like this. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is you bring out another shape. So you click on your shape plus button, bring another shape, then you place it here. You place it here. So after you place it there, the next thing you're going to do right now is to click your OK. Then you go to your texture to bring the same image we used in that pins. So let's go. So let's go. So this is the image. So I'm going to put the image here. Then you can actually scale it with this. Good. Okay. Let me scale it again because of good. So we are actually going. So we're actually doing well. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your stroke. Okay, so you give it this color. No, okay, yeah, go to your stroke, click on your plus button. Let me show you how I got the color. You click on your brush, on your the one that like brush, that is the color picker. Then you click on this, then you click on this one you brought in. So you click on this one. You're not using the red, you're not using, so you're using this, actually this. So after you do that, can you see it? You increase it a little bit. You increase it, just increase it to around that kind. I want it to be like a what they call it, a frame. So you leave it like this. Good. So can you see right now that we are making sense and the color combo is actually going well. So the next thing I put is from gallery. So you click your gallery. So let me search for it. Flower. So this is the flower that I use. So after that, you click this one. You reduce a little bit. Then you place it here. Can you see that we are making sense right now? So let's go. We are not done. So let's go. We are making sense. So after that, you go to your gallery again. There is sanction that I downloaded there. So let me search for it. So I think how will I get this right now? How will I get this right now? So let me search for it. So let's go. This is shadow. This is also that thing. It's also that thing. So I'm going to look for the thing myself. So let's go. Your birthday. Okay, let me search it like this. Oh, it's not here. So let me go to my download. I downloaded it, so I know what it is and download. So let's search for it. I know the date that I downloaded it. So this is it. So can you even see the birthday? It's not downloaded. So you click on this, so you reduce this down. So you increase it down. You actually lock all this. You lock all this so that it won't give you stress. Good. So let's go on. So you don't need to place at the back of it. So just place at the front of it. So can you see right now? So we are doing okay. So the next place we are going right now is to click on plus button again. No, it's not to click on plus button. You click on your layer, then you bring out this one that you eat, then you move it to the front. So can you see right now? After you move it to the front now, so you actually reduce it a little bit. You place it here. Okay, let's reduce the picture, this frame a little bit. Good. So we are doing well. So after that, we reduce it a little bit. Then we'll place it here. So you place it on top of the the place that separated the two color. Can you see it right now? So after that, you click on the plus button again. So you write your happy. So let's go happy. So after that, you go to your font. You go to your font. Then you write. So you search for business. Is this signature business? Let me search for the font. Okay, it's business. Yeah, good. Business signature demo. So that is the font I'm using. Business signature demo. So let's go. So I'm going to lock this frame back. Good. So I'm going to lock it back. So this business signature demo, you click on it, then go to your size, then you include the size. Can you see right now? Then you give it a color of this. I don't think I give it this color. So I'm going to use my color picker to pick out the color again. No, from this. So I'm going to give it this red. Good. Can you see right now that we are making sense? Good. So this is the color. So this is how I got this one. So now, what I'm going to do right now is to write happy birthday. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to write the name of the person. You click on the plus button, then you click on text, then you write happy. Sorry, you write the name of the person. Let me see. You want to write which kind of open I want to give it a name to. So let me search for a name. So let me see. I want to give it a choice. So let's go. So let's give it choice. So let's give it perfection. So this is it. So after that, you place it here. You go to your font, then you give it something. I want to use something beautiful for the font. So I think I should use. So let me check if the business demo we got for it. So let's check if the business demo we got for it. Okay, let's check. We are going to make it small letter for it to go well with it. So small letter, then change this only P to capital letter. Good. So we are good, I think. Good. I think we are doing fine. So now I'm going to change the color. Oh, the font is okay for it. So just move it like this. So I'm going to change the color to something this. So can you see it? So can you see it? So it's okay. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is it's just write the date, and I'm going to increase this one. This you're going to increase it a little bit to actually enter everywhere. Good. So can you see it right now? So the next thing now is to lock it back so as not disturb you what you are doing. Good. So I don't think this perfection go well with it because of the FA. Actually, they will think it is T. So let's change the font to another thing. So I think we should use a normal font for it. A normal font. So let's use semi-bold, monstersera semi-bold for it. Good. So you place it there. Good. Or let's place it here. Happy birthday, perfection. Good. So the next thing that we are going to do right now is to write the date, or let's write a word of like let me check. So you click on this perfection again, then you write happy I wish you heavenly blessings from above on this your special day, on this your special day. Good. So you leave it like this, then you actually reduce it a little bit. Good. So you can actually do it like this. Okay, good. So can you see we are moving forward, and the thing is looking a bit neat and it's looking very, very, very fine. So after that, can you see it? No. So after that, you cannot write the date under it. So you cannot actually write the date in the day you want to write. So you click on your plus button, you write the end date of your choice, 23rd July 20. So I'll give it dot 2020. 3. So so after that you come here, come down here, you place it there. So you actually give it a color. So you give it this color back. Um so can you see that it will make sense? This now makes sense, like a lot of sense. So can you see it is fine right now? So this is how I got this birthday flyer without stress and without too much so you can actually get your own background, sorry, your own what they call it, your own font in photopea.com as we actually got it. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the channel and don't forget to turn up the notification bell to get more updates or more tips from design from me. So I wish you best of luck. Thanks for watching up to now. So so after that you go to your save. You save it as a project. You save it as an image. So you save it as PNG. Then you save it as ultra or very high. Although I use very high because I love very high. I have not tested ultra before, so I love very high. So I'm going to search good. So after that, I think we are done with this. We're done with this. So thank you for watching up to now. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Something that inspires everyone who's lost their vision. You got something that everyone is craving. I'm just wishing I can be with you. I feel like I need